Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can easily duplicate a campaign in Mailchimp. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Mailchimp and then just click here on campaigns. And you're gonna see all the campaigns here, right? So what you want to do is I got like this mark here, or 2, 3, 4. I'll just click these 3 dots, not 3 dots, but the arrow, and click replicate. When I'm going to create a replicate, now just wait, and as you can see, the content, the subject, and from is going to be recreated here. And when I would go back to all campaigns, you can see that I got this copy 01 of 234 campaign. So this is how you can simply copy the campaign in Mailchimp. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.